This is for a W209 or a CLK 320 start problem. Turn the key, sometimes it cranks, sometimes it doesn't crank. This is specifically related to the starter relay. The starter relay is located in the front fuse box, and it is in the back side, right about there. So I'll show you what happens. Go into the car. When that relay is removed and I turn the key, so yeah, all the lights come on. This is not a battery problem. All the lights come on, horn works. I turn the key and nothing happens. Now, if I jump those two terminals, that's going to be the two furthest terminals with a jumper cable. It's a small little cable with two male connectors. I'm going to jump it on the left side and that one. So the way you look at that is on the fuse box. I'm sorry, on the fuse. It's going to tell you what terminals are normally open. Number 3 and number 5 are normally open because you see that line is broken. Number 1 and 2 are what give the relay the voltage. So 3 and 5 are normally open. So if I close them, meaning if I jump them, it's very important that you make sure you know what terminals you're jumping. This will get you out of a bind until you buy another relay. You get in the car, turn the key. Again, all the lights come on as normal. And now, car starts. Fantastic.